Hi guys, it's Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, leather seats, heads-up display, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.